Fatalo fatu nei tai au I rau sunga Mark Wendt wale tatou fatasi I le hotel nei o Sheraton Aggies I nei pia a me se fele manu tatou fafonga mai mana mai mo mai atu mau I le ngata lunga le ala leo le Samoa FM I nei pia me se foi me le pone a lunga foi le talamoa.com mo le nei ata le ata fatau te nei asu. Yeah, okay, Mark, if you can benefit on facing also long ya oi ya no wanwenga o ya malau tulang ai tonu malau I le company le Aggie Grace Sheraton.
Okay. Talo falava, talo fat foi le malu le tunu o pe ona awai mai ya tunu mau fa pe foi ini Samoa. Moro ingo o Mark Wendt. O position inge le Sheraton Samoa o le director of rooms. So in other words, o te vaia ia le vaenga le luma the front office. Fa pe foi le vaenga le housekeeping and laundry. More to anele sfuluvalu savalia ni suval masina taluna na o sitia mai New Zealand ila ngaluna sai New Zealand mole si chapter le ola ngai ni Samoa ngai with Sheraton Samoa. So
okay. Yeah, pele au ngole ta fa mo nei aso le fatata no inga le au ngai se mai se foi ni se ni me alo follow ye le po le tau tua o le company ne o le Sheraton mo le manu tato tulu o lo mai mo mai fafu I ni po ala vantu langa latu te fie loa I le ngai mele nei Samoa ia po la festu langa la o le ave ia Sheraton po le Aggie Grace Sheraton mo se no foanga lau te fie ngai mai ai ka ngai mengi Samoa
time of city given pe city no fa matala tu le tala anga le Sheraton ona o te loa o lava sila fia I la tau ia no fo I fafo po atunu mau ia le ingoa le o Sheraton. O le Sheraton o se company lau tele o lalo wha amalu le Marriott International ma atu whaatasi ia le whai o hotels po le whai o potu. It comes up to maybe about 1.6 million rooms around the world. So that gives us the indication le kele o le organization le whamanurua le Sheraton. Sheraton is also an international brand. O se company faltan malo wala wilo la lang I lon tulanga le o le 5-star 5-star le au nanga ma sili lona au nanga I me tau customer service. Ia whapea foi le tūlea o le tū wha technology with le awala mwhai o na boka ia malo o mai whafo. Ia whapea foi le maro le tunu nei o lala ni Samoa. Mai ua sawari nele suman masina taru na tu whatasia le Sheraton ma le Aggie Grace. Pia na lau sila fio le Aggie Grace wo Savalia ni le valus futau sanga mo tupu talo na whawaiana ni whaletali malo ma wale po veselilo o te roa lau sila fia le Aggie Grace le lau langi lona o nanga fo I mai lona amatanga I nei apia ia ma le whaasolo atu le ma wha te le ina le o le lato tautua I Tahiti I le lato la lewa I Tahiti ia whapea fo I malesi la o le Sheraton Samoa le wa I Mulfanua I le resort sa lawiloa sa pea na ta mo le Aggie Grace Resort le wa whai paa ngai nei company nei lua so o le au whainga o le au whainga renga lo iai nei o salopo o titi au le tose lau limas fulu le au whainga renga tu whaatasi le au whalitavi malo nei lua so ele is a question I le tūlanga leo le contribution o le ainga ni o Aggie Grace whapea for le Sheraton ia na I le economy o Samoa o le mātou sao ia ma le mātou position I le joint venture lea ia promote Samoa ma ia whaalau iloa tu Samoa ia tunu mau ma tu risi o I whafo ia whaatosina mai o mai asi mai ni and tu whaatasi le ingoa le Sheraton ma le Aggie Grace atonu o mawhai ona ausia le nei whaamoemoe I le atosina mai lea o tato turisi. Ia whapea fo ia le malu la tunu o lo alala I tunu I whafo. Le whapea fo ia ia malo tunu ro nei Samoa pe ona no si fia foi wo le ona o turisi wo mawhaina mai e no foi fatal malo wo mawhai foi e tangata locals no mai e asiasi mai no breakaway mai a ingo ia ole tulanga ole stands no ma to tono le market le way ia mawhai ona provide le service le not only internationally but also locally I nei tato tangata the challenges fa peona sitting ia ai ole tom whai le ia sui le mindset o tato tangata ila wa observation na o e tau te tilo most of the time ko ke compare nga fiki ma isia tunu Pacifica but our focus at tato ia I le tato environment ma le product le mawhai ona offer tato I think ole success le ole tourism industry ni Samoa and the emphasis e ka kaunga iai is our people and our culture and so mawhai ona tato tu fatasia ni me lua I think a genuine level experience la mawhai ona provide tato mo tato malo and ele opo vese lilo o tato tangata Samoa tangata nu'u Samoa o tato tangata tani malo and it's ingrained in our culture to serve people and to provide le hospitality le mo tangata e asiasi mai fafu so to try and transpose that to another level with the expectation ole turisi o malanga mai fafu I le brand be ole Sheraton e na o ia tutusa lava le level le customer service o I nei Samoa ma lesi Sheraton o I fafu po Fiji po New Zealand Australia o le expectation nga lai so it's up to us e upskill tato tangata and o lo tamu whai nei ia le whalitan malo ia provide le upskilling there through training programs for the staff and also incentives to exchange so ia lau whengalunga whai ona awi fafu e train mai Fiji ia whapea whai ona mai ia tangata mai fafu e o mai fo I lato e o mai share mai lato knowledge po lato to mai ia mawhai ona upskill le tangata so that o lesi luas fulu po lesi sulima tausanga I luman ua mawhai e tatou lau tangata ona run le whantan malo I keep belly ngo le Sheraton ma le Aggie Grace so ole that's some of the challenges ole e te ni ole ki ole fato sina mai o tangata ta whao me fafo le like I mentioned before ole tato anganu and mo I lato o whapeona asiasia tui Fiji e tele lava mo cultural shows e tele mo handicrafts ma mea o lo whai tangata Fiji e whai ana mo wai singa se lengi le for their families the same thing has to apply here and ole difference la o mea lua is that our culture and our people are still green we're still untouched and a lot of our culture le tauwhia tatou and so I'm a whai ona tatou tauwhi maule anganu and and showcase it as a product I tangata tawha mai fafu I'm pretty sure ele toe whamalia ina ia tangata ia o e tawha I Fiji ma Hawaii I shows a Samoa lai whai o because ole pe ole highlight nga o shows ye fai I fafu is ole ailawafi ole patsiva verna le fataupati and all those things have been incorporated in these countries and they promote Samoa as a culture but not as a holiday destination so by bringing in the Sheraton hopefully will open up le marketing o le atunuu as a holiday destination ia mawhai ona whaatosina mai tangata mai fafu we have a Starwood preferred program and it's a loyalty program ale whantan malo po le brand leo le Starwood and that itself has 16 million members so the ability e mawhai ona promote at Samoa with a touch of a button, ile technology le ia nei through emails, through broadcasts, web podcasts, is at our own opportunity. You know, we can do that every day if we wanted to. Bombard people with emails, entice them. E o mai Samoa e siasi mai, 16 million people. Even if 10% of that came, it would still change the tourism numbers that we have today. And so we need to be very, very competent, and we need to be very strong with our marketing. And tonu ole malusi angare mo mai I falap tonga pe ole Starwood, ole Sheraton, because we all know that this costs money. And you know, ole Vision, ole Sheraton, ia promote ia Samoa as the next best holiday destination for the Pacific, and it will be. You know, I've seen people coming from all around the world, people from Russia, people from the Middle East, people from Europe. You know, that's new in Samoa, and those are the genuine tourists that you need, because they travel all year round. You know, and there's been groups of Chinese and groups of holiday makers from Australia and all those places. So yeah, those are the some of the things ole focus in promotion in Samoa launch ngi salo no foi to newspaper ma male malungo penga fai langi ale Sheraton Samoa olo special day fai ile hotel that the rate is $299 Western Samoan tala, but you have to mention the promo code. And so this information can be found in Lunga Mato website. Sheraton Samoa. If you search Sheraton Samoa, you'll be able to see all these promotions that we have for Christmas. And like I mentioned, $299 for the town hotel in Yapia. And that includes, you know, like breakfast, Wi-Fi. There are also terms and conditions for those particular promotions. And for the resorts, there's $399 Western Samoan tala, and 50% off the second room if you buy the second room. So, like I said, we have to be vigorous and realistic about our rates. And yes, we would like to earn a lot of money over Christmas, but I think it's time to give back to Donata Samoa because of their support. And we know that a lot of Samoans fofo asiasi mai, and if ele yangi lako plans fangale eo mai asiasi mai Sheraton, then this is probably your opportunity to come and take advantage of that. If you go online, book or contact our reservations team, you'll be able to make the most rates here, promotions here, so in up to 4 people, 4 adults in one room, or the request, it depends on the type of room. There are obviously deluxe rooms or which allows more people. There are queen rooms and also king size rooms where we have 2 king size beds or 2 queen size. So it all depends what suits you. And I know that our families are big families and we like to take everybody, but don't worry, we have enough rooms. Like I mentioned, all the resorts or the special is $399 and 50% off the second room. So that allows you to take up to 7 or 8 people, you know, in the 2 rooms. And again, full breakfast. It's not, you know, breakfast finish at 10:30. You know, you can have breakfast all morning if you want. But you know, these are offers that are very limited. So it's only while it lasts that we'll have these offers on hand. But the best way is to book fast and book online or contact our reservations team.
Okay, so it doesn't matter the number. It doesn't matter. Family packages for the
yes. So you need to, if there are a few rooms, if you're planning on taking up a few rooms, yes, of course you can talk to the reservations team. Off the top of my head, I think ole minimum amount of rooms is 5 or 10 rooms. So we've had families book up to 10 rooms. We've given them special rates on those 10 rooms, and especially out at the resort because of one and the half price for the second. So again, it doesn't hurt to ask, Sheraton Samoa, or Sheraton Samoa Aggie Grays is to help everybody enjoy their holiday. And if we're full, then we apologize in advance. But that's what business is. But the only way to take advantage of it is to book early and get in early. So we have for the hotel, we have Christmas Eve seafood fiesta buffet. That's for here in Apia. Christmas morning, we have the Christmas breakfast buffet available here just behind me at the Feast restaurant. And then we have a Christmas lunch, which is a 3-course set menu. And obviously these come at various prices. And this is actually in our Aggie Grays by Peter Kurvita. So our fine dining restaurant will be offering the Christmas lunch, the 3-course set menu. And that's obviously paid per head. And then we have a lot of Christmas specials on the a la carte menu, which is just order as you go. And then the Christmas dinner, of course, is a 5-course degustation menu, and that's also at Peter Kurvita's Aggie Grays restaurant. Peter Kurvita is our celebrity chef, who we work very closely with to create all these menus. For the Christmas Eve seafood buffet, it's 125 per adult and 55 for the child. And that again is the seafood fiesta. So all the seafood you can think of will be available at that Christmas Eve dinner. For the Christmas buffet, it's 60 tala per head. If you want to bring your family, if you're not staying in house, and you want to bring your family to a nice breakfast buffet that morning, Christmas buffet is probably the best one for you, and that's 60 tala per person. For the Christmas lunch, that we have the set menu at Aggie Grays fine dining restaurant. That again is a 3-course meal, and it's 120 per person. And you need to call to make reservations for those because Aggie Grays restaurant is actually limited seating, so we don't want to oversell and we don't want to overpromise. So again, bookings is crucial, reservations are crucial. So the Christmas dinner, if you want to have it in Aggie Grays, it's 175 per person for a 5-course set degustation menu. And if you choose to go the buffet will be available here at the Feast restaurant for, again, 125 per adult and 55 per child. Yep, so there are different themed nights, and that information will be available on the website, or if you call in, they will have different set theme nights. Off the top of my head, like you mentioned, we have barbecue nights. What we do is we try and alternate the theme nights with the resort, so that we don't have the same theme every night. And I understand that they're in the process of revamping all the theme nights. So Wednesday night is our usual fia night, which is Samoan food. I think there'll be an international and probably a Mexican and an Indian themed night. All that information can be obtained from our front office team, or if you just query it with the reservations team, they'll be able to answer all those questions for you. So if you want to book reservations here at the hotel, the number to call is 22880. Obviously with the country code, if you're calling from overseas, it's 685-228800. And also, if you need to contact the resort to make your booking at the resort, you'll be able to contact the reservations team on 685-45611 is the number to call. Best you stick to those 2 numbers so that you'll be able to get as much information as you can from the 2. As much as we would like to cross-promote, it's probably less confusing if you call the hotel or the resort that you want, and they'll be able to share all that information with you. The website again, Sheraton Samoa .com is probably the one that you can search, and I'm pretty sure you'll come up with Sheraton Samoa Aggie Grays properties here in Samoa. But on behalf of the management team and all of the Sheraton staff, would like to and the Aggie Grays family. I guess we'd like to thank everybody for their support. The last year or 18 months has not been an easy one, with rebranding both hotels and getting things up and running, but without support from the local community and also Samoans everywhere who I'm pretty sure keep tabs on whether we're open or not, or those are the people that keep us going. And we would appreciate your business anytime, any day. Just give us a call and we'll be able to help you however best we can. On that note, it is the festive season, and so just an opportunity to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, and looking forward to 2017 and what it brings for everybody, and especially us.